Hello and welcome back to another episode of Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today we're going to be doing a really fun drink. This is a mint flavored Baby Yoda hot cocoa. This is not an original idea. I will be leaving a link in the description below to where I got this from in case you guys want to check out her blog any further. Before we get into this recipe, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. So we're going to take a pot and 4 cups of milk. Then we're going to take white chocolate chips and add in 1 full cup. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. I'm not doing it for mine because I hate peppermint flavor, but it is part of the original recipe. So once you have those 3 things in your pot, you're going to put it on the stovetop on very low heat for about 10 minutes. You just want it to simmer. You do not want this to get to a boil. So once we have our hot cocoa mixture on the stovetop, we're going to make a little bit of green sugar, and to do that, we're just going to pour about 1/4 cup of sugar into a bowl. Then we're going to take a little bit of green food coloring and mix in a couple drops. Here we have some green sugar. So to prepare our glasses, I have a bowl with just a little bit of water in the bottom, and then I have this bowl with our green sugar in it. Both of these glasses I was able to get at Goodwill for a little under $1, so definitely if you want some unique looking glasses and you don't have any, check out Goodwill. They had a lot more than I was expecting to find there. And then we're just going to take our glasses and dip them in the water just to get the rim of our glasses a little moist. And then we're going to take them and dip it into our sugar. Just took our beautiful mixture off of the stovetop. It smells really nice. So then I'm just going to take our green food coloring again and add 2 to 3 drops. Alright, I think we have a pretty good green color here. You could make it a little darker, but I'm okay with this. So now I'm just going to take a ladle and pour it into our glasses. And by ladle, I mean our measuring cup. Alright, so here are our 2 almost completed beverages. Now we're just going to top it off with a little bit of whipped cream. We're going to take a little bit of our leftover green sprinkles, green sugar, and just drizzle it on top. And then for the final touches, I have some mint leaves. And our goal is going to be to try and find 2 leaves that are about the same size so we can create some ears. There we go, our finished Baby Yoda hot cocos. Alright, time to try our cocoa, see how this turned out. Wow, that is actually really, really good.